Did you know one simple fruit in your kitchen can transform dry, dull hair into silky, healthy hair growth? Today, I am mixing a powerful DIY hair treatment that strengthens, hydrating, boosting shining, and also smelling amazing. Keep watching, guys, because you will want to try this immediately. Some of the hair influencers, these are the secret that they are using. They don't want to show it to you guys, but for me, I'm here to review all the secret about the hair growth, how to take care of your hair, how to take care of your scalp, how to take care of your body. This place is all about natural DIY things. All this. Okay, my people, now what we have here is two ingredients, banana and kiwi, that we have. So before starting, I'm going to start with the banana. While I'm peeling it, I'll definitely going to tell you guys the benefit of each ingredient, and please don't skip this part, because if you skip any part you may not understand how to make it and how you can apply it. Because this video also, I'm going to show you guys how you can apply it into your hair. So I will use my daughter. I'm going to apply it to my daughter so that you guys can see how we can do it. So now I'm opening or peeling my banana. Please, if your banana is more wet like this, don't say the banana is spoiled and throw away. Don't throw away. There is a lot of benefit of it. You can use it to make hair mask, you can use to make face mask, you can use to make it body scrub also. So don't throw anything. My house, I don't throw things like that out, because all is having benefit for me. So after peeling my banana, the next thing is my kiwi. Guys, we always say organic thing. This kiwi, I'm 100% sure that it's not organic one. Okay, this is not organic kiwi. I have never seen a kiwi in the yellow or brown. I don't know which color is that. Is it yellow or brown color like that? All the time the kiwi have to be pure green, but this color is another something else. So anyway, maybe you can cross something like that. You also can buy kiwi and you cross this one also like that. Actually, when I went for buying it, I saw this one also. I said, okay, let me take one to see what is going on with this kiwi. So I decided to use that one for the hair mask to see how it will go. But when I started peeling it, I noticed that this is not organic kiwi. Okay, it's just like those fertilizer things. So now, guys, what I'm going to start here, I'm going to start with my kiwi. That one I'm doing last, but that one I will start first. The benefit: kiwi is rich in vitamin C and also strengthen hair follicles. Kiwi is also helping with healthy scalp and circulation to your scalp. Kiwi is also reducing hair breaking and improving hair growth while you are using kiwi in your hair, especially the kiwi inside the seed that is having a lot of benefit for our natural hair. So guys, now after mix or add all my ingredient, the next thing I start to be mixing it. So let's check and see. I'm going to strain it and come back. So while I'm straining it, let's check and see the banana, the benefits of banana. Banana also is deep hydrating, softening hair and reducing freezing. Banana is also improving slipping for detangling. When you are going to detangle your hair, it's helping you to detangle your hair very nicely. So guys, now as you guys can see, I finished straining it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some oil. I added jasmine oil, 1 tablespoon of jasmine oil. Okay, the jasmine oil, for adding it, guys, you can add any oil of your choice, your desire. Oil, you can add which one that you have in your hand, whether you also have jasmine oil or you have avocado oil, you have mango oil, grapeseed oil, aloe vera oil, olive oil, which oil that you have, you can add inside. So guys, after add that in, I added 1 tablespoon of honey also. And the next thing that I'm adding also, this is my cold pressed avocado oil. I made this oil for myself, so I'm using it small, adding it into my treatments. So I added 1 tablespoon of cold pressed avocado oil and honey also inside. So now the next ingredient I'm adding is my lavender essential oil. I'm adding lavender essential oil, and it's not going to end there, because I'm still going to add one more essential oil, which is jasmine essential oil. I added jasmine carrier oil, normal oil, for 1 tablespoon, and now I'm adding jasmine essential oil also. I'm going to add some few drop of it. It's having long way to go, because you know those oils are very powerful and it's good what you are doing. So guys, while I'm talking, let's just check and see. First, let's start with our honey again. I will tell you guys the benefit of honey. So now, after mixing it, when you have deep conditioner, okay, use any deep conditioner that you are using for your hair. For me, I don't have any particular, maybe this deep conditioner, that one I'm just using all the time. No, when I just go, because normally my deep conditioner I always mix it when I buy it, and I will buy it from the market, and come I'll add my own ingredients to make it more strong and more powerful. So it doesn't matter which type that I get, so far that it's rich deep conditioner is good for, I can use it to do my things. So now I added banana deep conditioner inside to mix everything. So okay guys, now I'm going to apply it to my daughter. I washed my daughter hair this morning. After we were bathing, I washed her hair, so the hair is still wet, so I don't need to hydrate it. That's why even I'm touching it again to see. So if you know that your hair is dry, please try to hydrate it small before apply your treatment, and also make sure your hair is clean when you are going to do this treatment. Okay, so let's continue to see the benefit of the ingredients. Honey also is having natural humectants plus moisturizing into the hair and adding shine, while my avocado cold press oil is also great for low porosity hair like my daughter hair. Is penetrating strands and nourishing your hair. And jasmine oil also smoothing the scalp and adding fragrance, reducing dryness, and so amazing fragrance that it's having. So when you are adding it into your treatment, it's smelling very good. Lavender essential oils, let's check and see lavender. Lavender oil also is stimulating hair growth and your scalp also, and fragrance as the way jasmine oil also have. So that kind of things that you get from lavender is very good for your hair. So you can use both. If you have only one, just use one inside. Okay, and also deep conditioner that I added inside, it's also hydrating, adding stripping to your hair and helping balancing the treatment. You know the treatment, it will help it to improve softness to my daughter hair, or my hair, or your hair. If you use it, please let me know in the comments section if only you will try this treatment. So always make sure, if your hair, you make it a protective style from your hair. Don't say because of you are having protective style you will not wash your hair, you will not do anything. Always try to clean washing your hair, because our hair growth secret, guys, the secret about behind the hair growth, you need to have your clean scalp. Your scalp needs to be clean. That will help you to do what, to grow your hair healthier. So the ingredients that I use, I will list it in the description below. I use one kiwi and one wrap banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of jasmine oil, and some few lavender and jasmine essential oil again. Okay, so those ingredients that I use to make this treatment. So now the best way after doing like this, do not overstay sit down this. Okay, because this treatment, because of you have braids or you have mini braids, you have twists inside, you don't need to overstay to make blow up into your scalp. So this, I'm going to cover it very well for the hair to simulate very well to my daughter's scalp, because everything is starting from foundation. Your foundation have to be strong. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair, it means your foundation, that is your scalp, the scalp need to do what? You need to have a healthy scalp. So I'll cover it this way and allow my daughter to sit at least 20 to 30 minutes. I will take care and go and wash her. So guys, please try to subscribe, like and share for me. And my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate all of you. And this channel is all about natural things, how to take care of your hair, how to take care of your body, your skin, you know, all is here. We are doing everything here. And if you have belly fat, if you are looking for a things that to melt your belly fat or to make detox, please, I have those video in our main channel. It's called Queen Padede. You can watch the video also from that place and support us in that channel. Okay guys, we love you people. So all the things that I'm just saying, you know, start on your scalp where you are going to apply. Start from your scalp with your damp hair, okay, massaging it a little bit into your scalp and cover it. Sit for 20, go and wash it with water, or you can add shampoo with a deep conditioner again, but I can only advise if you use water to raise it up and come out. That is the much better. So my daughter will say bye bye. We love you people. Okay.